how to transfer Tron token from Bybit wallet to Phantom wallet on PC. Now, in order to do that, what you need to do, first of all, we need to swap our Tron token to Solana to be able to transfer it to Phantom wallet without any issue. So how to do that? Now open your Bybit wallet first. Make sure to select the Solana network to be able to find your token. In this case, it will be Tron. Now after that, click on it. As you can see here, click on swap, and you will be able to redact to Bybit exchange platform in order or to be able to swap your token to Solana. So how to do that? As you can see here from the bottom, just click here and select the Solana network from here and search for Solana token in the search bar. So as you can see, this is our token Solana. Now click on it. After that, click on swap. So after you convert your Tron token to Solana, we need to transfer our Solana token to Phantom wallet. So how to do that? Open your Bybit wallet for that and select your Solana token. Now click on send. So because I don't have any fund, I can be able to show you how to do that, but they will ask you for the withdrawal address of Solana that you can get it from Phantom wallet in order to use it here, and now you can transfer. So how to do that? Open your Phantom wallet for that, as you can see here, and now select your Solana token and click on receive. Now copy the token address from here and go back to Bybit wallet to provide it there and click on transfer. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on Bybit wallet. So this is how to transfer Tron token from Bybit wallet to Phantom wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.